Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise and gratitude pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Therefore, this presentation can be presented. The presentation that will be present is entitled Mini Market Database. Before we start our presentation, it would be nice to introduce ourselves first. My name is Alfian Novadiansah.
And my name is Dalaresya Diputra.
My name is Deva Sampurna Ramadan.
And we will start the presentation. Next. First is system summary. We create this database because we want mini market owner to be able to easily monitor their sales activities. Besides that, this database is also expected to help in evaluating mini market activities. We know that monitoring and evaluating mini market activities will take a long time. Therefore, we create one solution for mini market owner with our database. This database can speed up and simplify our mini market activities that need to be recorded. For quick preview about our database, we use three main points. First is customers, second seller, and three supplier. To customer to buy the item, he must send the detail about him to the seller, and seller to take the supply from supplier. The supplier must send him the detail about him to the seller. Next. Entities that we use in database. First is database name, we use mini market. Second, in schemas name, we use sumber daya. Third is entities name, we use one customer, two item, three item detail, four supplier, five purchase, six purchase data, seven supply, eight supply detail, and nine demagogue item. Attribute for as entities. First is customer. Customer have customer ID, name, customer address, and phone number. In item, it have item code, item name, and piece. In item detail, it have item code, price, and supply number. In supplier is supplier ID, name, supplier address, and phone number.
For the purchase table, it has purchase number, purchase data, and customer ID. For the purchase data table, it has purchase number, purchase code, and purchase amount. For the supply table, it has supply number, supply date, and supplier ID. For the supply detail, it has supply number, item code, supply price, and supply amount. For the damage item, it has item code, supply number, and item damage amount. Here are the ER diagram for the mini market database. For the first table, the name is item and the primary key is item code and the foreign key also item code. And for the second table, the table name is item detail and the primary key is item code and the foreign key is supply number. And for the table 3, the table name is customer and the primary key is customer ID. And for table 4, the name is supplier and the primary key is supplier ID. Table 5, the name is purchase and the primary key is purchase number and the foreign key is customer ID. For the table 6, the name is purchase detail and the primary key is purchase number and the foreign key is purchase number and item code.
For the table 7, is table name is supply, primary key is supply number, is foreign key supplier ID. For the egg table name supply detail, primary key supply number, foreign key supply number, and item code. And the last table is name. Table name is name damage item, primary key item code, foreign key supply number, and item code. The next. Validation performance is number 1, item table, validation required, item code, method used for validation, primary key, and not null, item detail table, validation record, item code, and supply number, method used for validation, primary key and not null, and foreign key and not null. Customer table, validation record is customer ID, method used for validation, primary key and not null. And supplier table, validation record and supplier ID, name, address, and phone number, method used for validation, primary key key, and not null, and not null, and last not null. Purchase table, validation record, purchase number, and customer ID, method used for validation, primary key, and not null, and foreign key not null. Purchase data table, validation record, purchase number, and item code. Methods used for validation, purchase number, primary key, foreign key, and not null. And item code, foreign key, and not null. And supply table, validation record, supply number is method used for validation, primary key, and not null. Supplier ID, foreign key, and not null. Supply detail table, validation record, supply number, and item code, methods used for validation, primary key, foreign key, and not null, foreign key, and not null. Damage item, validation record, item code, and method used for validation, primary key, and foreign key, and not null. And validation record, supply number, and method used for validation, foreign key, and not null. Next.
That's all presentation about our project. We apologize if there are mistakes or problems that happen during the presentation. We will do better in the future. Thanks for listening this whole time about the presentation or project. We hope the presentation can benefit to all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.